Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add audio to your videos in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app, and now you have to open one of your projects, or you can start a new one if you click on the new project option, and you can select from your galleries a video. I'm going to use one of my projects, and now you can see under the image section the add audio option. Click on it, and now you have several options. The first one is the sounds, and here you have some additional options, like you can use TikTok original sounds, you can use your extracted sounds, you can select from your files or from your library. Then the recommended sounds, here you have a list, and the last one is the favorites. If you have some saved songs, you can use them as well. And if you go back, you should see that there are additional options. The effects option, here you can see a lot of options: performance, love, fight, and so on. And then the extracted option, here you can select from your gallery. And the last one is the voiceover. You have to tap or press and hold to record your voice. You can add voice effects as well. I'm going to use one of the recommended sounds, like this one, and you can see that the sound is added. I can adjust it if I click on it. Now I can adjust it, because you do not have to use only one sound. You can use several sounds for your videos. So now in this way you can adjust it, and you can add additional sounds as well. For example, if you click on the sounds again, I'm going to add one more, and you can see that this sound is also added, and you can adjust this as well. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.